Well, it looked promising for a moment, but it came to nothing. Oh, that is beyond special! A worldie and a half! About as smooth as it gets! That is how you do it! Brahim Diaz has a shot! Magnificent! A finish of true class! And again, they simply do not know what comfortable.
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no...
All eyes on the referee. It's a penalty. So a big chance now from 12 yards.
Well, I think the alternative was to stand there and do...
Calm as you like, and they're running away with it. A time for a cool head, and that is precisely what he showed.
Well, that looked a simple case.